Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to calibrate your print head's alignment and how to check your print head's alignment value. So to do it, just find Setup, click Setup, Maintenance. Then scroll down and find here Auto Head Alignment. Click OK, click Yes, and wait a minute or two. So great, and now as you can see we have this print, and what we need to do now, as you can see we have this black corner. We need to place this black corner to the top left corner of our printer screen. So just open your scanner and in this way, as you can see, in this way, place your paper card into the scanner. Close the lid, click Yes, and click OK. And now just wait a while. Okay, now just click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.